morning everyone. We, the grade 7 students of Birla Open Minds International School, have chosen the topic Samrid Bharat. Let me introduce you to my teammates. This is Ananya, Ishani, Kashmira and Avantika, and myself, Nakshatra.
Have you ever wondered how technology could enhance the lives of visually impaired people? That's what our project aims to do. It aims to create a safer world for the visually impaired people. It also aims to help them navigate their way safely during the day or night or in their daily lives.
So the components we used in our smart walking stick is a PVC pipe, a power bank, a C-type charger, an Arduino Nano, an ultrasonic sensor, a buzzer, a ping pong ball, a handle, and also some jumbo wires to connect the components.
So now I'm going to tell you about the functions of our main components. So of course, the power bank is to supply energy to the whole circuit. Here we have a C-type charging port which connects the power bank to the Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano contains all the code and acts as the brain of our circuit. So next we have the ultrasonic sensor which sends out sound waves, and if the sound waves return back under the distance, the detection range that we have added, which is 30 centimeters in hours, then it will trigger the circuit and the buzzer will start beeping. And next, we also have a special feature in our handle. Our handle is also a container which can be used to store medicines for them. And now let my friend Avantika tell you about how our stick is better than regular stick.
So unlike other walking stick, our walking stick has an ultrasonic sensor which can detect obstacles in case there's an obstacle in front of them for the person to sense. And also there is a buzzer which can give a beep sound. So this is a demo of a walking stick. So here's a demo of our walking stick.
So as you can see, there's an obstacle ahead, and the ultrasonic sensor has sent out a ultrasonic wave, and the obstacle has been detected since it is within the range of 30 centimeters. So now the buzzer has been activated and it has started to make a beeping noise.
This can alert the user if there's an obstacle in front of them which can block their way or injure them.
So as you can see, this ultrasonic sensor can detect obstacles and the buzzer works along with the ultrasonic sensor to give a beeping sound.
So now Ishani is going to tell you about how we can make some future enhancements.
So first I noticed that this handle, it's not the most comfortable handle for a walking stick. So we want to improve on that. Next, I think that the power bank, it is too heavy. So we decided to make a lightweight power bank. And also for the ping pong ball at the bottom, we want to change it, make it more smooth, and we also want to add another ultrasonic sensor so that it can detect potholes which it is not being able to detect at the moment. And we also want to add AI so that the AI and some voice module, so it can also tell the blind person who's coming. If there's a person, it can also tell there's a person to your right, etc.
Thank you.
Thank you.